The dashboard you're looking at normally takes hours to create. But what if I told you this entire Excel dashboard was built in less than 60 seconds, without creating a single chart manually? Today, I'll show you exactly how. First, go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Next, insert a new module. I already have the VBA code ready in a Notepad file. Simply copy the code and paste it into the module. If you'd like this complete VBA code, comment VBA below and I'll share the download link. Now let's create the button. Go to the Insert tab, add a button, and place it anywhere on the worksheet. Format it however you like. I'm going to name mine Dashboard Builder. Next, right-click the button and select Assign Macro. Choose the VBA procedure we just pasted. And that's it. Everything is now connected. Ready? Watch this carefully. One click, and the magic begins. The VBA automatically cleans and formats the data. It creates the Excel table, builds all pivot tables, generates KPI cards, creates professional charts, adds interactive slicers, applies dashboard formatting, and refreshes everything automatically. No manual charts, no manual pivot tables, no manual formatting, no repetitive work, just one click. And in less than 60 seconds, a complete professional Excel dashboard is ready. The dashboard that normally takes 4 hours to build now takes less than 1 minute. That's the power of Excel VBA automation.